Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the meals we had during our visit in Morocco. So we visited Marrakesh, Morocco, and here are some of the dishes, some of the meals, like Moroccan meals. Like they're super awesome. Honestly, they're delicious. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys along, and please feel free to relax and enjoy yourselves. Let me take you all along, okay? All right. This is beautiful. So that's food.
Thank you.
And you want to eat healthy this night? So this is healthy section. Now what is this one? Honestly, I don't know this one. I don't know what it's called. Lots and lots of healthy meals. What is this called, please?
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper. Oh, that's nice. I think I need some. I need bell pepper bits. So this is bell pepper. Yeah, I'm taking bell pepper. A little bit of bell pepper. So this is Morocco, Marrakesh. So we are eating dinner, and this is healthy section. If you want healthy section, you just come to this area. Let me take rice. Just small. Thank you. Just, oh my God. That is it. Mother get you go away that later.
You jumped at the wrong time.
You ready, Chala? So my lovelies, at this point I was getting tired, and my hubby offered to help me out in order to get the rest of these parts as well as to get them clearer. Okay, so please continue watching and enjoy. Love you all. Bye. So my lovelies, we are still here in Marrakesh, Morocco, and this is evening dinner. As you can see, everyone is going to get their dinner and all that. So usually the dinner starts at 7 p.m. and ends 10 p.m. So this is where my family is. My family is enjoying their meals. Okay, and this is my lovely husband, and here are my adorable children. We are all here enjoying ourselves. So of course I'm going to start enjoying mine as well as everyone. All right, so thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Remain blessed. Bye bye. Bye lovelies. Bye.